My name is Peter Obi. I'm from this town. I went to this primary school, this secondary school, this university, and people come. These they're very important. You know, when Chika was saying my CV, he said Harvard. I said, no, Chika, I did a program in Harvard. I'm an alumnus of Oxford and Cambridge. It can go and be verified.
Verified.
I don't need to put injunction for you not to see it. Go and tell them in Nsukka whether they'll give you my transcript. These are things we must. And we must do it and say, this is who we are. Because that's what makes us. Nobody said you must be anything. No. We have had leaders all over the world if you didn't go to school. Just say, this is who I am. These are my parents. These are my children. You know? So we will do that.